previous two students, one was really into doing electronic production, was really focused on that. The other one was really just wanted to be focused on being an engineer. And from there, understanding what those two needs are, completely different. I was able to spend time with one student about production. So he would bring in tracks and we'd listen to the tracks, talk about how he can make his tracks better, go through it, spend some time with that. And then also what he would be able to do is see me working throughout the day or with other clients, and then kind of be able to take what he learned by watching me and apply it to his own work. And that was basically the same for the audio engineering student. But his was very much more practical, like teaching him how to cut drums or tune a vocal or comp a vocal or mic guitars or mic vocals or go through signal flow and things like that. So, and that's how we did it.